Hello, my friends. My name is Walter Williams. I am a HUD consultant. And today I'd like to talk about managing expectations on a rehab project. And this one is a pretty clear cut, should be a simple one, but it's not so simple. Now, I want to just relay this real quick to all of my contractors friends out there. The lender will give you 6 months to complete a project. If you get into a situation that you think the project is manageable, that you can get it done within a certain amount of time, I implore you, please stick with the original timeline. And I tell you why. Borrowers' expectations that is highest when they sign a dotted line for closing. So whatever happened prior to that, they think everything's going to be running smoothly in terms of timeline. Now, if you have to order a special order items like cabinets or countertops, that's going to take longer than what you're going down to the local big box store to pick up. So you have to allow for that. Also, because of the fact that we have a labor shortage in this area, you may have a crew. Your crew may not be able to stand on one site for an extended period of time if you don't have the proper materials there for them to work. So I implore all of my contractor friends. The lender give you up to 6 months to complete it. Tell the borrower, I can get it done in 6 months. That's expectations being delivered. And if you get done sooner, you be the hero. Now, one more thing I want to say about that. As a consultant, again, it's my job is to make sure the work is being done in an acceptable manner. If you get caught up under a time crunch, please reach out to me. Because here's the thing, when you finish a project, it doesn't mean the project is finished. You have to go through various steps to make sure that you get your last check. You got to go to make sure the city sign off on a certificate of occupancy. You got to make sure that the borrower is happy with your work. You have to make sure that there's no other outstanding issues that may occur during the time you was at that property. So please, I encourage and I implore all my contractor friends. If the lender give you 6 months to complete the project, get it done within 6 months. If it's going to take longer, let me know as a consultant so I can relay it to the lender to saying that they need a little more time due to factors. We don't know what those factors are, but factors. And not only that, being in constant communication with the borrower, just to make sure that you are, that all lines of communication is being adhered to. So I just want to just run that by you again. Be very careful what you say to a borrower in terms of getting a job. Be very careful on timelines because they're going to hold you to that. Just like you want to get paid in a timely manner, they want to move into their house, the house of their dreams. So again, my name is Walter Williams. I'm a HUD consultant, and I'll see you next time. Have a good one.